Hello viewers, welcome to Ganesh Ora Shastra. I hope and I'm very confident you are getting benefited as well as educated from the all updates I'm giving you about Ekadashi. Here now I'm going to tell about the Ekadashi coming on 18th May 2020. This Ekadashi is mentioned as Apara Ekadashi or Achala Ekadashi. Both have got very good meaning. Right from the word Apar Ekadashi, it means anything which is limitless. Achal also means a thing which is totally substanceful and which cannot be even lifted from its position. So this Ekadashi has got very good prominence in our Hinduism. Achal Ekadashi or Apar Ekadashi is falling on Monday, 18th May 2020. On this day, puja to Lord Trivikrama is very important. It is mentioned in Vishnu Purana as well as in Markandeya Purana. It is considered to give extraordinary good results to the native with regard to their wealth and a person who will have continuous progress and achievements in life. On this day, since it is a Monday, it is a very good day for doing puja to Lord Narayana. And doing in the form of Trivikrama is very good and it will produce very good results for the native. It removes all the sin that one has committed in his life and promises relief from all the known and unknown sins that he has committed or would be committing in this life. So therefore, this Ekadashi attains extraordinary good importance in one's life. It also grants stable or unlimited progress and achievement in one's life with regard to education, wealth, or with regard to developing a relation with somebody or doing penance. This Ekadashi is considered to be the most worthwhile for doing such good deeds. This Ekadashi also promises removing of Brahmahatti dosham, which can come to a native if he does harm to Brahman or cow or a pious lady or a pregnant lady or does not give money back which he has taken from a person. All this will amount to Brahmahatti dosham as per our Shastra. If one does rituals on this Ekadashi, is assured of removal of all these dosham which could prevent him from attaining growth and progress in life. On this Ekadashi day, in the evening, giving presents kept on a sieve to pious Brahmin ladies would make excellent result for the native. Triangular shape flag inscribed with swastik in it on a violet cloth in the puja area before you commence the puja on this day. Next day, give this as a total donation along with some money to a Brahmin. This will give extraordinary good result for the future. Now the results for all the moon sign. As I told you, I am taking here the natal moon placement in each chart. For native, for whom natal moon is placed in Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, the results are going to be very good for the next 15 days. You will have good opportunities coming and you will make good progress and happiness are assured for you in this fortnight. Good results are expected for Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces natives also. They will have good progress and promises and fresh avenues will open for them. With regard to native born in Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, they have got a fairly good time coming. They have to evaluate and find out if things are going to be good for them. They have to work hard for their achievement, but it is assured for them. For the rest, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, they have to wait for the good opportunity time. Do not invest and be very careful for this time.